Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Miriam. Welcome. So today's video I'm doing our entryway over. So I've been neglecting this area. Literally every time I do a room makeover, whatever doesn't fit, I just throw it in this room. So I'm very excited to be making over this room today. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Check it out, and of course in the comment section below, let me know what you guys think. Go ahead, do your thing, boy. Good job. So I finished painting the trim out all the way around. I also did the door. I gotta peel that out actually. So now I'm going to paint the actual walls and the color. Oh yeah, the hole that was on the walls, you know, I closed them out, so it's, you know, fixed it up, patched out. And the color that we're using is gray. And I did get this one Walmart. It's universal gray. So. Okay, so it's the next day and the wall pretty much is dry. I thought that I was gonna need a third coat, but it pretty much looks good. So I wish I would have taken the tape off, because now I'm gonna have to take it off while it's extremely dry, but that's okay. So I'm gonna take the tape off now, and accidentally the color on it looks purplish on the camera, but it's actually gray. So I don't know, it's kind of looking different on your end. It looks very close to the color of that coat rack hanger there. So I don't know why it's looking purple, but it's great. So normally when I would change out the light switch covers, but for this room I'm actually gonna keep them the same color. I normally change them to like white or something, or silver or something more modern, but I'm keeping this just to bring a little bit of warmth in the room, because everything else is going to be so bright that this cream color would go with the rest of the decor. to make the room a little bit more warm. So of course I have my little helper here helping me out again to complete this furniture, to put it together. So the furniture started coming in and I really got excited about everything that I ordered. Just, you know, the room was starting to come together, at least as I envisioned it. So this bench was very easy to put together. It wasn't hard at all. The instructions were very simple and straightforward. It took me maybe less than 30 minutes to put it together because all the screws were the same size, and like I mentioned, it was very straightforward, and it wasn't that many steps to it. So even my little helper here was able to, you know, get busy and help mommy out with this project. So 2 weeks later, I'm still working on this project, only because the console table that you see me putting together here was sold out, and I had to find it somewhere else, just so because of the measurements that I made and the look that I was going for, I needed this specific console table, but I was able to find it. So I'm finally able to finish this project out, and before I reveal what the entryway is looking like after the whole makeover, I'm going to show you guys. Let's remember what the entryway was looking like before we even started this whole thing. Also, before I forget, this table was very easy to put together as well. Here is the before look of our side entryway. This is what we started with. It basically turned into a storage area, which is horrible. And here's the final reveal. I moved those plants from the living room to the corner there because I figured it would get more sunlight, and also it looked better in the entryway. So now I switched out the rug. Initially you guys saw me put a gray rug there, but with the snow and all the salt, it was not working out. So I had to put in that black tough weather rug over there so it can hold it.
at least for now, for the winter time.